Okay, as one more shot. Gracias, Kwame. I just found out he was kitchen, so I'm practicing my kitchen with him. This is a Panty Ripper, coconut rum and pineapple juice, and we have some salsa, but I can't have beans, so we're picking it up. And we're heading to Caye Caulker. There's a restaurant where you could feed stingrays, so hopefully I can feed them when I get there. Before we begin, the Even Strategy channel is getting lots of views and I'm so grateful. But folks are forgetting to subscribe. So if you are watching the channel, please remember to hit the subscribe button so you can continue to follow along on all my adventures as I document my life. I can't wait to look back at videos and see my growth and of course know that you were there along the journey with me. So let's head back to the video. See what you want to drink. They say, do you want light, medium, or see you tomorrow? I only had medium, and I feel like I'm about to see people tomorrow. You better believe it. Woo! Wow. And I have work tomorrow? Why? We're almost to Caye Caulker. To Caye Caulker. And clearly, I'm rolling with the Kenyan Queens today. Okay? I'm rolling with the Kenyan Queens. The dadas are on board. The dadas are on board. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Oh, Caye Caulker's cute. Caye Caulker's definitely for the weekend. This is where you come for the weekend. What are they doing, oh? Jesus? ¿Qué es eso? Oh, you're putting pipes to supply water to the other side. I like that. Oh, guys, I think I told you about the split already, but in 1961 during Halloween, what you see right here in the middle, this split happened because of a hurricane, and now it's like a historical situation. So now they're trying to make sure that this side of the island gets water and everything like that, which is really cool. Let's go explore Caye Caulker. I need water. I feel tipsy. Ah! The split. Welcome to the split. It's so cool. It's the place to party, clearly. It's got Aunt tattoos. I love it. The boys back there love what them see. My goodness. Oh, this is... What? Come on, this way. Hey. Oh, yes, the seahorses. Oh. Let's go get something to eat after. Seahorse, the tarpons, the iguana sanctuary. There's iguanas at our hotel. Oh, what? I don't know why I keep getting confused. Let's go see the seahorses. We got some mean old grandpa looking one. It's so hot, the little puppy, little dog. It's a perito. Welcome to Caye Caulker Craft Market. Oh, Caye Caulker is nice. It's a vibe. It's a straight up beach town. So cute. I'm burning already. I got sunscreen on, but I'm burning. I love it. So good. Oh my gosh, I'm about to move to Belize, y'all. Like, I'm not playing. I'm moving to Belize. I'm moving to my people. Ooh. Right over here in this one. Enjoy. That's a great name for a restaurant. Hey. You love it, I like it. Hey. Oh. Did we make it? Oh. It's nice here. Wow, Caye Caulker is a place to relax, clearly. My God, it's beautiful. Look at that. Warning, stingrays can hurt you. Be careful. But they're not here. They're not here. Where are they? I don't see them. Stingrays, where are you? Look, they have hammocks and swings. Oh, this is beautiful. I don't see them. Whoa. Up we go. Okay, that's enough. Oh shoot, I had my wallet. I just wet my whole fanny pack. It's okay. What's your name, love?
Jane.
Nice to meet you, Queen.
Yes,
I literally wanted to come here just because of you. Because they said how amazing you were. And now I see you. You're beautiful. Wow. You're all over the YouTube. Where?
There's one right over here in the edge.
Yeah, yellow one.
Yeah,
The yellow one?
right over here, yeah.
The yellow one. Oh, that's a seahorse. Oh, it's a puppy. Wow, thank you, Jean. Jean is amazing. I saw her on YouTube. She made me want to come to Caye Caulker. And I'm going to put this on YouTube. Let everybody know where should they find you so you can give them tour.
Alright then.
Where should they find you?
Right by the express.
Express.
By water taxi.
By water taxi. And all you have to do is ask for Jean.
Yeah.
And you'll give them tour.
Correct. Tour of the island.
If you come to Caye Caulker, you're going to tour with Jane, okay?
Yes,
Yes. Thank you. Wow, look at him. You're so cute. He's cute. How can you tell which one is a girl versus which one's a boy?
I don't know. I think once they give birth, that's where the males go.
Right, the males are the ones who give birth. What are those big pull-up type situations? Those big mushroom-looking things? You know what those are?
Probably like their eggs they try to...
Oh. They're cute.
Yeah, but this is like the
That's so cool to give them a nice place to stay and they come to hang out. Hi, seahorses. Where are you, loves? I can't believe I met her. I can't believe I met Jane. She literally is the reason why I decided to come here.
For real.
That's so cool. Seahorses, so cool. Thank you, Queen Jane. I'm moving to Belize, so I'll keep you posted.